Alright, here's a little pointer for removing the side paneling on the Buick Enclave. These are held in by clips and two-sided tape all around the top and the bottom. So I use a plastic pry bar tool and a razor knife, and I just sliced all around the edge, and then you just kind of bop up from underneath with a little piece of wood and a hammer, and it pops right off of these clips. So what you're going to want to do is carefully take these clips out, and what I do is I put a screwdriver in on one side and it pops the thing in, and then I press another screwdriver on the other side, and it's going to pull those clips out without breaking them. So it's a lot easier to put those clips back in the panel and then pop them back in. So all I'm doing here, just using some contact cement, and I'm going to cover the outside edge, and then on the outside edge on the panel here. Now these are the ones I took off. They just got a top clips on these. The ones I got from my donor car have clips on the bottom, and there's corresponding spots here to put. So I'm going to put a couple clips on the bottom here and glue up both sides with contact cement and pop them in. So that's the side panels. This one had the running boards, but because of the accident, this got all destroyed right here. So what I'm doing is putting on the donor one that has no running board.